Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2024 Yamaha 252SE. So you can see starting off that we are in the white color scheme with the cool interior from Yamaha. It's a very sleek looking boat. You can tell that is intended for luxury pretty much throughout the entirety of this boat. All right, so you've got this nice big loungers up here in the bow. Moving on up a little bit, you've got your dedicated anchor storage as well as a bow ladder. Nice sea deck throughout the boat. Up here it's glued on, and then for your flooring it is snap-in, so you're able to pop that up and take it out and give it a wash off. Makes cleaning super easy on board here. Moving on back a little bit, we do have some storage on board under the helm here. This door also acts as a wind dam you can put right here. And then you've got some in-floor storage and your full ski locker right here. This boat is equipped, ready for a full sit-down head. All you got to do is add that porta potty in there and it's ready to roll. Then over here on the helm, you can see we've got the nice large Yamaha Connect screen. So that's going to hold all your engine management, your stereo, chart plotter, everything you need while operating this boat is going to be handled inside that screen there. You've also got a wireless charging cell phone mount as well as your control for your Connect screen right there. Very sleek, simple helm up here. Very nice look for this boat. Got some storage for dry box for keys, phone, wallet, anything you're looking to 100% keep dry while you're underway out on the water. And then you've also got two full swivel captain's chairs with armrests and then bolsters on the captain's side here. Got lots of shade from our bimini top up there, as well as plenty of storage underneath each of these seats that you have back here in the cockpit. Super cool feature of this 25-foot Yamaha is this fold-out table here. So you're able to drop it down so you can take advantage of a full lounger here, but if you want to use that table, you just rock it back like that, and you can use that table for plenty of things while you're out enjoying a day on the water. Anchor out, have a picnic, maybe mix some drinks up on there. Got a little bit of storage in there as well. Another super cool feature on this boat are these adjustable loungers here. So you're able to slide these depending on which way you're looking to sit. If you're looking to sit on the swim platform, you can slide it forward, have plenty of room to stretch out on the platform there. Or if you're looking to sit inside under the shade, rock it back, you can take advantage of that full lounger there. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828. And that's me, Blake Holbrooks.